Hi friends, very good morning. I hope all you are doing really well. Friend, today we will discuss about what are the building blocks of cloud. Like what are the elements exist in particular cloud. So guys, let's start without time wasting. So first question would be like what are the building blocks of cloud? Cloud means guys, it may be AWS, it may be Microsoft, right? It may be GCP, etc. So, on broad basis, there are five categories of building blocks. For example, number one is compute, second one is storage, third one is the networking part, next one is the database and orchestration. Guys, in next slide we will discuss about what are these terms and what are the uses with examples. Let's come to the second slide. What um, what does compute means? Friends, compute services refers a kind of creations, management and usage of virtual servers which we use to perform the computational task. Friends, virtual servers means um, a particular server who is exist inside a server in a virtually manner that is not actually a physical one, but it is a virtual one that is called our virtual servers. So friends, compute means the calculations part, right? So total functionality of compute is a kind of creations, management and usage of virtual servers which we use to perform the computational task. Guys, what are the computational tasks? These are the intensive tasks such as calculations part or applications deployment. For example, in Amazon Web Services, this is called the Elastic Compute 2, and these servers are further used by the users to offload the resources in an intensive task. Just I had explained. So this is all about the compute. Come to the second part, which is a storage part. Question number two: what are the types or categories of storage? So guys, there are two types. Number one is block storage and second one is is storage. Let's begin with the storage part. Guys, as the name suggests, block storage means data stored in a blockwise manner which exists in a container. So data is stored as a blockwise in a storage container carrying the address sequence. Let's try to understand with an example here. Guys, consider a sentence. For example, I am a tourister. So I will be stored in first block, M stored in fourth block, and A is stored in 10th block, and tourister is stored in 100th block. Guys, it is not necessary that the sequence of the sentence will be stored in a sequentially manner of particular block. This is not necessary, right? Any data will be stored in any phase manner in that particular container. Now the question is arising that during the retrieve of data, how this sequence exists. Guys, this block contains the address, right? So according this address, the data will be pulled and automatically managed in a sequence manner. So container manage the address of block and carrying the details like which data is stored in which block. During retrieval of data, these data restored according to the address sequence. This is also called the structural database storage and is suitable for transactional records. Guys, this sentence is very important from the interview point of view. These two are. The question may be asked that which structural database storage, what is the name of structural database is storage? So the answer could be the block one. And second questions from the objective type in interview questionnaires may be that which storage is used for the transactional record. So guys, the answer is block storage. Second thing, block storage offers high-speed data processing, low latency, and high performance values used for rapid transactions. Block storage don't store the metadata. Guys, what are metadata? Metadata are the details of that particular data. For example, who is the author of data, who is the creator of data, um, like date and modifications date, etc. Like the properties of file considered as a metadata. So in block storage, guys, these metadata couldn't be stored, and this is called structural database storage. And apart from this, all the transactional records would be preferred to be stored in a block storage manner. So guys, I hope this concept would be clear for you. If you have any concern or any doubt, kindly comment in this space given below in this video. Next part is object storage. So object storage, as the name suggests, that this is a moving object, right? So whatever is a sequence of data as it is, it will be stored in a separate storage. In this, the whole data moved to storage as it is. That means no splitting or like a block would be considered in this object storage. And second thing is metadata details and objective with global unique ID is also stored in this type. So this is accessible from a remote via HTTP, guys. What are the examples of storage object? That would be a Facebook, Dropbox, right? And AWS S3, etc. are the examples of object storage part. Next question would be from where we can access block storage data. Since EBS is stored, with instance, guys, instant means direct connections with the virtual servers. So EBS is stored with instance. So after logging in account, we can access the block storage data. This data cannot be accessed via HTTPS. Guys, as we know that block storage data, transactional records are stored in this data. So this is very clear that this will not be accessible for public use. However, the object storage may be used for the public use. For example, data stored in Facebook, right? Data is stored in a Dropbox. However, Dropbox is not a kind of a public, but this may be as stored for particular public, a kind of object storage. Come to the next part, question number 4. What are the challenges of object storage in cloud? So object storage is not ideal for transactional data where organizations frequently access, update and store files and other resources part. And the second thing is the processing time taken by the object storage may be long than the block storage and file storage, which will use more network bandwidth. That means, guys, object storage is not ideal for a transactional purpose. And since large number of publics are using this object storage, so the network bandwidth may be very slow if you are accessing to the object storage part. So this is all about the storage part. Friends, if you have any problem, any concern or any doubt, kindly comment. I will try to provide you the best logging answers. So guys, this is all about for today's sessions. In next session, we will discuss about the networking part, right? What are the databases, orchestrations with examples, like what are these terms, what are the elements inside of these terms, and what are the examples best suitable for these ones. So friends, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. One more thing, guys, if you have any concern or any doubt, kindly let me know via your comments in the comment box. Thank you so much.